Well, good morning, folks. It's the morning after we arrived here in Glamis. A long night, a good night. But anyways, let's go check out what camp looks like. So we got our trailer all set up here, got the car. Just look at camp starting to really fill in. Tons of side-by-sides, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25 side-by-sides so far in this group of fine folks. Cletus just arrived. He's sitting over there talking to those dudes. His whole crew's here now. Boosted boys over here. Got old Battlefield. 2JP sitting there wanting to rip. First real day here in Glamis.
If we throw in the F-350 and
Okay, here's beast mode. What was that white smoke? We gotta go find out. Oh no.
oh, there goes beast mode.
No. We're moths to a flame right now. Moths to a flame. I see a lot of fluid.
Way to put it.
Oh, yeah, she blew, Douglas.
Hey, that's a tough break, brother. Sorry, not really. But
You bring Jade around for 2 seconds.
that's a good thing. That's a good thing. That's a
She was still rolling over.
Oh, we were doing a long rip. I think I saw 70. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. A lot of cooling.
A lot of water in there. Well, you push the water out.
Yeah, find a gasket. Not that bad. Yeah, it's a good gasket. Let it go, man.
You don't think it'll go?
No. Sell it.
Well, tough break on beast mode. Unfortunately, it might be a head gasket. Those dudes are gonna let it cool down and dig into it and see what's going on. Got a buddy bringing it down. I think it's either Chris bringing it down from Corona. Gonna bring a head gasket and hopefully get that sucker changed out.
Just barely.
Well, shit.
Yeah. We can take it down there and we'll just throw a beat on her. Get a sanding block. Back together.
She done.
What'd you do that for?
Why did you do it? You know who actually did it was Cletus. He was sitting there recording. I'm like, I'm gonna
recorded
hold it
the
wide.
whole thing, and you're like, I'm gonna just hold it wide open.
no.
Next thing you know, JB Weld though.
Yeah, we're head out too.
And here's the head.
It's like $4,000 a loader.
Just be able to weld it.
Yeah.
All right, time to put the head in its temporary casket. Temporary casket. Womp, womp, womp. All right, so Cletus got the $9 a day insurance, so he's good. He's gonna put her in 4 low. All right, gotta have always good tools. Changing an axle. Was it smacking around or is it just loosening up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Son of a beat. All right, so we've got this all apart so far. Now we need to get this axle out, but we need to get a freaking crowbar so we don't pull the CVs out and pull them all apart, make it a nightmare to freaking get to. Freaking tons of tools though to do this job. Random stuff. grab the old coffee and go over here and get some breakfast. Yeah, look at our big sriracha bottle we got out. Somebody's gonna tackle this thing tonight for sure. All right, so Cletus got the new axle. They were working on beast mode, but as you guys saw in the picture, she's done for, unfortunately. Super bummed. Made some good pulls. That thing was fast, but that's how it goes out here. So everyone's mounting up. So let's get the GoPros on the car and let's get the heck out of here. We're gonna head to China Wall. So let's roll. right, here comes Cletus and frickin' Zeus. right, so first and foremost, wrist restraints. These are just what I made out of 50 or 550 cord, just tethered to between my legs on my seat, and my arms can't go anywhere near the cage, anywhere, as you can see. So my arm won't be able to extend and get in between the cage. So these things were like 10 bucks on Amazon, and I just made my own cord, and then I got a quick release here. I mean, it might even still break, but in that initial rollover, it'll still be tethered, you know. And now we're at the Granite Mountain Hot Shots Memorial here in Glamis. And we got Seuss here, we got Battlefield, we got all kinds of folks here. That's Leonardo's big, beautiful flag. So I'm just going on to my GPS here on the old Turbo Dynamics, and I'm just gonna put in Granite Mountain Hot Shots / flagpole and set my waypoint in here. Pretty dang easy to do. So we'll just save that there. But you would just click on your maps, and I'm sorry, it's so hard to see. But just click on your little icon here, and then you could add waypoint, and then you can, I'm gonna edit it. So you just click on it, and then it gives you a little keyboard here. And so add where you're at. It automatically does it through GPS via the antenna, and pretty much it. Sick Dune Rip. We're here at China Wall. We got the whole crew in tow. Man, it is absolutely beautiful. Check out the views here.
All right, do this too. Turn this way. Let the sun be in your face.
belt. All right, so Cletus was ripping the hill, blew a belt. This guy in the Can-Am done come right up blowing past Cletus, boom, blew his belt. There's his shrapnel in the middle of the hill, right there. Cletus was a clean break, it looked like. This dude's blew his wad all over the hill. Boom. Guess who's not gonna blow a belt? That YXC ripping right there.